Connecting time clock hardware. Using an Amano time clock with Time Guardian hosted is not required but offers great advantages. They are low cost and are very easy for employees to use. For those who purchase one, this section will cover how to connect your time clock to your Time Guardian hosted account. There are currently 4 Amano time clocks that are compatible. Please consult with Amano or your dealer if not sure. Each clock is pre-configured for Time Guardian hosted before it ships to you and is ready to use. Simply connect the power cord and connect via Ethernet or Wi-Fi to your local network. Be sure your network can access the internet. For instructions on connecting your clock to Wi-Fi, please refer to the documentation that came with your clock. Let's get started. Log into your Time Guardian hosted account and click the Settings tab at the top. Click the Time Clocks row near the bottom. Then click the Add button on the upper right. The system now asks for the serial number of your clock. You can find this on a white label found on the back of your clock marked SN. The serial number is a unique mixture of letters and numbers. Be sure to enter it exactly, then click Add. From here, enter a name or location that helps you identify your clock. Next, select the model you have. And last, select the time zone for the clock. It is possible to have clocks in different time zones, then click Save. If your clock is already connected to power, reboot the clock by removing the power cord, then placing it back in and wait until it starts. This will establish an initial connection with Time Guardian hosted. Go back to your list of time clocks to see if your clock has connected. There should be a timestamp under the last ping column. Next, click on the serial number, then click the Commands tab. Commands are used to communicate with your clock. To test, click the Reboot Clock button and wait. Your clock should reboot within a few minutes. If all is good, you are ready to send your employees to the clock. To do that, click the Transfer Employee Names button. Depending on how many employees you have, the transfer can take a few minutes or more. To confirm the transfer at the clock, press the M button to view the menu. Then go to User Management, then All Users. You should see a list of all your employees. If you are using proximity badges, you can enter them at the clock or in your Time Guardian hosted account. If you are using fingerprint or facial recognition, you need to register your employees at the clock. Once you do, your clock is ready to track employee time.